The Future of CRM, Predictive Analytics and Salesforce. CRM Future, Embracing Predictive Analytics. Predictive analytics combines the power of data insights, machine learning, and automation to help businesses predict future trends and behaviors. By leveraging predictive modeling, businesses can anticipate customer needs, personalize marketing campaigns, and improve customer experience. Salesforce, leading the way in CRM innovation. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform that is at the forefront of the digital transformation. By using big data and business intelligence, Salesforce helps businesses understand their customers better and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. CRM tools, enhancing customer relationships. CRM tools like Salesforce offer advanced features such as lead scoring, customer behavior analysis, and predictive customer service. These tools enable businesses to streamline their operations, identify potential opportunities, and deliver personalized customer experiences. Predictive trends in CRM, what lies ahead? The future of CRM is all about predictive trends that leverage data analytics, machine learning, and automation. Embracing CRM integration and predictive technologies will be essential for businesses looking to stay relevant and thrive in the digital age. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of CRM is bright, thanks to the advancements in predictive analytics and Salesforce. By harnessing the power of data insights, machine learning, and automation, businesses can drive sales, boost customer loyalty, and stay ahead of the competition.